So I'll be showing you how to comment using GIFs on Instagram posts. So if you find a post like this one and you want to use GIFs to comment, then simply go to the comments section, just tap on the comments icon. And in the comment section, you should see GIFs, the GIF icon. So if you tap on it, you have options for avatars and GIF. Now here you have a huge collection of GIFs that you can use to uh, comment. You can even search for specific GIFs. If there are any GIFs you want or you're looking for, you can search for them. But then basically, uh, when you find a GIF that you want to comment with, tap on it, and that's going to be added as a comment. That is basically how to comment using GIFs on Instagram. Now, if you go to someone's post and you don't see the option to comment with a GIF, or you don't see this icon, they might have turned off GIFs on their Instagram account. You can actually turn off GIFs and prevent people from using GIFs to comment on your posts. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.